Hey everyone, welcome back to Network Zeal. In this video, I'll show you a clear step-by-step roadmap to start your journey in artificial intelligence. Step 1. Understand what AI really is. It's a mix of machine learning, data science, and math. Learn basic concepts. What is AI? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? Step 2. Learn the prerequisites. Python programming is the most important skill. Learn basics. Loops, functions, libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Step 3. Learn machine learning. Start with supervised versus unsupervised learning. Step 4. Move to deep learning. Learn neural networks, CNN, RNN, LSTM, and transformers. Step 5. Practice with projects. Do small real-world projects like predicting house prices in AI text summarizer. Step 6. Learn about generative AI. Explore ChatGPT, OpenAI API, and prompt engineering. Step 7. Build a portfolio and keep learning. Create a GitHub portfolio and LinkedIn profile. Remember, AI isn't learned in a week, but step by step, you can master it. Start today. If you found this roadmap helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll share a free beginner AI project roadmap next.